Your angel is saying to you today, always be authentic. No one is you, and that's your superpower. Just by being yourself, you make so many people's lives better. People need what you have to offer. Your smile, a listening ear, a kind word, your attention. Never forget what you bring to this world. Type Amen if you agree. You have a soft heart and a pure soul. That's why you feel everything so deeply. Be clear on one thing. This is your superpower, not your weakness. The world needs more of you. So don't suppress who you are. It is not your job to heal every person you meet, but it's your job to make sure your kind nature remains intact throughout your journey. Type Amen if you agree. May the dark thoughts, the overthinking, and the doubt exit your mind right now. May clarity replace confusion. May peace and calmness fill your life. You have been strong long enough. It's time to start receiving your blessings. You deserve it. Type Amen if you agree with this. Sooner or later, you have to change the mindset that holds you back from believing you deserve more. Sooner or later, you have to release resentment and replace it with resilience. Sooner or later, you have to outgrow the limits that keep you small and go for bigger. Sooner or later, you have to stop wishing and start working on your dreams. Sooner or later, you have to purge the past and start building your future. Pick sooner. Type yes if you agree. Your angels have been listening. Your manifestations will be fulfilled, and all you need to do is say, I am ready.